All right, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Kenneth. My last video, I discussed extensively how we get sick, starting from our cells down to our body, the process through which sickness gets to our body. Like I explained, what we see in our body is just the symptom of the damaged cells in our body. So if you have not watched the video, I'm going to attach the link to that video in my bio, in the description of this video. Thank you. So today I'm going to take a more dive into explaining further how these things work from cell down to our body. You understand clearly today. So follow me, join my slide. So let's talk about cells in our body. Cells are the smallest building blocks of life. Just like you want to build a house, you need blocks from beginning to the end. That is those blocks that makes up the house. That is how cells are in our body. Now, inside each cell, we have the nucleus, which is the control center, which is like the brain of the cell. We have mitochondria. This is the powerhouse where energy is produced. We have the cell membrane, which is the protective wall controlling what enters and exits the body. We have the cytoplasm, which is the fluid where all cells activities happen. So all these parts work together to keep your body alive, energized, and healthy. All right, let's talk about how cells are formed. Cells are formed from dividing themselves. This process is called mitosis. So in this process, the old or weak cells die off while new ones are born. When this cycle works well, your body stays balanced and strong. This is because the new cells have the same DNA with healthy cells. Now, I know you'll be wondering what could be these things that could damage our cells. But these things are actually not far from us. They are things, our daily routines, the things we face daily, our nutrition, food we eat, hazard, stress, pollutions, toxins, things around us. These things are things that have built over time in our body, have caused damage. We don't know until when we start seeing these symptoms in our body. So this is how the formation of the damaged cell is. So these damaged cells stop working properly. They produce less energy. You feel weak, tired, and fatigued. Their protective membranes break down. Toxins and waste build up. They may not divide correctly, and the list go on and on. So this thing leads to mutations or chronic diseases. So here is the chain reaction to illness. Now see the process. You have damaged cells. Damaged cells will create weak vessels. Weak vessels will create weakened organs. Weakened organs will lead to system failure, which is what causes most of the diseases we see all around us. Now you understand that every illness in the body starts from the cell. When you take care of the cell, every other part of the body will begin to function well. So here is the good news. If you work on your cells, you have stronger tissues, organs will function better, your body system stays balanced, and your whole body becomes healthy, energetic, and resistant to any sickness. I hope I've been able to explain better how these things work, from our cells down to the sickness we see, knowing fully well that the symptoms we see in our body, those things you see in your body, just symptoms of damaged cell that now affects the tissue. Now the tissues are not strong to power the organs, then the organs are now weak to function effectively. Then that is what now shows on our body as those symptoms we see. So in my subsequent video, I'll be talking about the different ways you can get healing. You can rejuvenate the cells and make them active. So that as soon as the cells are active, every other parts, the tissues, organs, and every other symptom you see will start giving way gradually. Thank you.